There's the basil, nice and full. Okay, remember this vine? Oh, look. Yeah, all the way to the roof. And it's got those galls on there, and I can't reach up to get rid of them. So I'm hoping that the winter kills them, but I don't know. Otherwise I'm gonna have to get a big old ladder. That's a big old ladder. This is the potato planter, how big it's gotten. The beetles, very noisy dogs. The mint. Well, hopefully this is the type that comes back every year. So it looks good. Okay, these guys, I don't know what they are, but I don't think anything will come of them this year, although they've gotten bigger since I moved them. I kept this one because it looked like a strawberry to me, but I don't think it is. All of my green onions got eaten, and the chives just destroyed. I didn't get one chive. I should have cut them when they were semi-full. They're like gone. This hot pepper, well, it's gotten eaten, but obviously I'm not going to see anything off of that, which is too bad. This rogue tomato plant, I moved it, but it's a little late. I don't think I'll see anything off that. Left this one little bunch here in the back. And tomatoes as far as the eye can see. See if I can get a close-up. Got them in different sizes. Some big ones down there. Look at how thick the stalks are. There were a bunch of little baby ones because I put in a few different varieties. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you can see it. I see one red one. Yahoo! But look at how big shadow. Look at how big the chocolate cherries have gotten. Ginormous. Okay, this better not be the only tomato I get. It's the only red one I can see. It's cute though. Here's the tree I cut. And I still haven't moved those lilies. Maybe I'll just leave them there and just move all the crap out of the way. There they are, they're hidden, the little cherries there. But I think something might have been in there eating some of them while they were green. The aloe vera that I have in the shade looks way better. Forgot to show you guys this one here. This was a little surprise. Some ground cherries. I planted these years and years and years ago, and they filled up this whole thing. And then this spring, well, I cleaned it up, and I didn't think there was any left because I can't really identify the baby plants. But this was a nice surprise. So if you need something to grow that will spread, is low maintenance, and will come back every year, try ground cherries. They have like a little bag. They're very medicinal. Well, that was pretty cool. And when I watered, I could see here some drag marks right there. That's got to be a raccoon that went digging up my chives. So there's tons of raccoons here in the city. I just hope they don't take my tomatoes. They're rubbing their boobies all over my tomatoes. Let's see. Is he down there? It's kind of dark out here. I planted another one of those purple flowers, and then I discovered that there are stones blocking off, or buried underneath, to make like a half moon shape around where the plants should be. So I'm going to try to make that more visible, because the postman's lazy and just walks across here. That's why there's bare patches. So, and that's where they deliver the mail. The front lawn. Let's see, hydrangea's gotten a lot bigger. Even the old rose bush looks good. Everything else looks pretty good. So I need to fix this. It's all wonky out here. And these plants here I brought from up north. So it's been, over 2 months. They said they used a water-based paint. They said they were going to fix it. Water-based paint that stayed for several months. I don't buy it, do you?